You have to execute on it, build it. I was watching this Mark Cuban video, and he was talking about you can try 1,000 different things to achieve whatever it is, financial success, whatever you might want to achieve. But you only need one of them to really take off. You need to take opportunities that you get, stop waiting, and go for it. If you have something on your mind that you're like, this is a solid idea, should execute it. Execute on it. Don't wait. Just do it. Go for it. What's the point in waiting? It's just giving another person more time and opportunity to take advantage of that opportunity. This is a very passionate idea for me, executing on opportunities. Because me personally, obviously, as still I consider myself a young individual, I have a lot of opportunities that I've thought of, wanted to do, and not taken them. On the other hand, I've taken opportunities and I've gone with them and I've reaped the benefits of them. And sometimes I look back at opportunities that I thought about taking and wonder what could have happened. Why didn't I take them? But you can't dwell on that. You just have to look on to the next opportunity. Make sure that you're working towards it and get that opportunity to be something that you can work and focus on completely.